Ladies and gentlemen, this is Miss Universe Philippines 2025. Now, 2204, your pageant blogger host. Subscribe. Magandang araw Pilipinas and good day pageant lovers. The Miss Universe Philippines 2025 pageant, dubbed the Puksaan edition due to its intense competition, has officially commenced with 69 candidates vying for the coveted crown. Among the front runners is Maria Atisa Manalo, representing Quezon Province, who has been highlighted as leading contender in Parade of Beauty's first Hot Picks. Manalo, previously recognized for her first runner-up finish at the Miss International 2018, brings a wealth of experience to this year's competition. Close on her heels is Tyra Goldman from Bohol, securing the second spot in the same Hot Picks list. Goldman has garnered attention for her previous participations in international modeling competitions, notably representing the Philippines in the top model of the world for the year 2020. The Puksaan edition has been characterized by pageant enthusiasts as one of the most competitive seasons to date, featuring a mix of seasoned beauty queens and fresh faces. The press presentation, held on February 15 at the Makati Shangri-La Hotel, showcased the diverse talents and backgrounds of the delegates. Notably, the event also introduced Ariela Rida, the Miss Universe 2013 third runner-up, as the new national director for Miss Universe Philippines. As the competition progresses, fans and media alike are keenly observing how these early favorites, along with other contestants, will navigate the challenges ahead. The journey to the crown promises to be a thrilling spectacle, reflecting the dedication and passion of each delegate. And now let me give you the Miss Universe Philippines 2025 first Hot Picks by Parade of Beauty. At number 20, Angeles City, Pampanga. 19, Iloilo City. 18, Isabela. 17, Los Baños. Top 16 is Cebu City. Pasok naman sa top 15 si Miss Tacloban. 14, Butuan. 13, Iligan. Number 12, Cebu Province. And number 11, Naga City. On number 10, we have Sultan Kudarat. Number 9, Tarlac. Number 8, Muntinlupa. Number 7, Benguet. Number 6, Baguio. And now let's move on to the top 5 contenders. Number 5, Katrina Ligado from Taguig. At number 4, Iliana Aduana from Sinuloan. Number 3, Eloisa Jaud from Laguna. And number 2, Tyra Goldman from Bohol. And the number 1 spot goes to Atisa Manalo of Quezon Province. These are the top 20 first hot picks from Parade of Beauty. Who is your bet? Just comment down below your favorite Miss Universe Philippines candidates. This is Nel2204, your pageant blogger host. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for your pageant blogger host. Support your favorite candidates and leave a comment.